A ALE-1700 Introduction. Binocular or monocular tracing. Tracing needle height adjustment. Frame material selection. Start. Pupil distance, pupil height setting. Digital template mode. Search, call, and store frame shapes from memory. The width, height, overall size of the lower edge, and axis position can be adjusted. Blocking mode. Set pupil height. Optical center, box center mode switching. Lens diameter setting. Dark lens mode. Display brightness adjustment. Normal lens, bifocal lens, progressive lens, and other lens type selection. And the lens parameters can be adjusted. Metal, sheet, soft sheet, and other materials frame. Normal, easy to slip, fragile clip type. Box center, optical center, size adjustment. Polishing setting. Bevel the front or back of the lens. Right eye, left eye. Lens diameter. CR, HI, PC, TR, glass, and other lens materials. Bevel and flat edge. Bevel position setting. Start key. Lens filler height setting. Frame processing. Select binocular tracing, probe height, middle plate material. Place the top edge of the frame inward into the tracer folder and click Start. Input pupil distance, pupil height parameters after tracing. Enter blocking mode. Place the marked lens according to the display mark. Mounting cycle. Blocking completed. Enter machining interface. Select the corresponding eye position, lens material, frame edge type, set the edge type position. Select frame material, clip pressure mode, and size settings. Install the lens on the clamp. Click Start to process. Check the effect and finish the processing. Frame template processing. Remove the frame template. Remove the correction plate from the tracing bracket. Place the liner in a horizontal line and use the center tool. Place the liner horizontally and press the suction cup. Fix the suction cup to the tracing bracket. Note that the upper edge of the liner is inward, and distinguish between the left or right eye. Select the right or left eye. Place the scanning bracket in the fixed position of the clip frame. Click Start Scan. Input nose bridge distance, pupil height. Check and adjust the eye position and size of the frame. Enter the centering interface, place the lens according to the mark line and install the suction cup. Enter machining interface. Choose good eye position, high material. Adjust the processing falling speed. Select the sharp edge and set the position of the sharp edge. Select the frame material. Easy slide clip mode. Set the size and select polish. Install the lens to the collet. Click Start to process. Click Start to process. Processing of photo, scanning of lining plate. Click to enter photo mode. Place the brace for the horizontal line, place it horizontally, and click the Confirm button. Enter nose bridge distance. Confirm eye position. Input pupil distance is higher than pupil distance. The center setting page is displayed. Place the lens markers according to the markers. Mounting sucker. Install the lens to the collet. In the processing mode, select the right eye position and edge profile requirements. Check the effect and finish the processing. Scan to obtain the shape. Select the lens material. Select the grooving mode. Adjust the depth and width of the groove. Adjust the position of the groove. Clamp the lens to be processed. Initiate the processing. The grooving process is completed. Check the processing results. Scan to obtain the shape. Adjust for left and right eyes and select the lens material. Select flat edge, front bevel or back bevel. Clamp the lens. Start. After processing is completed, check the grinding effect of the lens. Usage instructions. Note 1. Note before turning on the power. Check if there is a frame on the scanner bracket. If there is, remove the frame before turning on the power. Note 2. When processing lenses, it is necessary to check if the frame meets the required dimensions. If the centering is too off or the frame is too small, it can result in the lens size being too small, leading to processing failure.